Master next-gen data center cooling. High-density AI workloads are pushing traditional air cooling to its limit. In this essential guide, Data Center Cooling Sizing, Liquid and Air Hybrid Systems, MEP expert Charles Nemi breaks down the exact formulas, sizing strategies, and ASHRAE TC 9.9 standards needed to design efficient, high-performance hybrid cooling infrastructure. What you'll learn: hybrid air and liquid integration, balancing direct-to-chip cold plates with airflow management; thermal calculations, key sizing formulas, Q equals MC delta T to optimize PUE and ensure N+1 redundancy; ASHRAE TC 9.9 compliance, staying within optimal envelope limits for extreme server densities. Get the complete guide and expert engineering resources here. www.https://m/HVAC